Hi friends, welcome my channel JM Express. So in this video we are review top 5 best inflatable fishing boats. You can get a heavy-duty boat specially designed for fishing. However, this approach will cost you a lot of money, and you'll also need a truck to transport your boat from one place to another. If you are not actually a fishing enthusiast or don't have enough resources, your best bet is to go through the list of the best inflatable fishing boats. So let's find out.
Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.